Okay, sorry, we got interrupted when we were solving this multi-step equation. We started by adding the opposite on all the problems, and now we're going to simplify this left side. To simplify, we're going to start by doing the distributive property. We have to get rid of that group. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And we still have that negative 4x at the end. And then we have, then we can combine the like terms, still working on that left side. Negative 2 and negative 4 is negative 6. Those signs are the same, so we add them and we keep the sign, and then that plus 4 stays. So this left side is all the way simplified. Now we need to go to the right and simplify that. We're going to start by getting rid of the group. We're left with 3x plus 3 plus negative 9x. And then we combine the like terms. The like terms are the negative 9x and the 3. Those signs are different, so we subtract, and the 9 is bigger and negative. Now we have successfully simplified both sides. After simplifying both sides, my job is to get the variables on one side. So I'll move this 6x over here. If we have a negative 6x to make it go up to 0, we have to add 6. Add 6x to this side. Again, I lined it up underneath the negative 6x because those are the like terms. These both cancel, and I'm left with 4 is equal to 3. Now, this similar thing happened on this last problem. All the variables canceled. They canceled on both of them. Last time, what was left over was a true statement. This time, let's take a look. Does 4 equal 3? No. When what is left over is false. When the variables cancel, and what's left over is false. That's not true. 3 is not equal to 4. The answer is no solution. And what that means is that there is no number for x. Nothing I can try would ever make these two sides be true. We could pick any number. You could spend your whole life picking number after number after number, and you would never get these two sides of the equation to be true. It will never work. So there's literally no number. That's what no solution means. So when the variables cancel and you're left with something that's true, the answer is all real numbers. When the variables cancel and you're left with something that's false, the answer is no solution. So let's just write that down as a summary. The summary is when the variables cancel. This only happens sometimes. It only happens sometimes when the variable goes away. If the variable doesn't go away, you can find out what x is. If all the letters cancel out, it's no solution when what's left is not true. Like 6 is not equal to 7. That would be a no solution. The answer is all real numbers when what's left is true. If the two numbers left over after the variable cancels are equal, like 6 is equal to 6, that means that the answer would be all real numbers. Thank you.